Aloha everyone! The official start of spring is just days away and gorgeous healthy weeds are popping up everywhere. We have dandelions, thistles, spurge, mare's tails, and a wide variety of other volunteers that I can't even name growing right up through the mulch. What I've come to love about these volunteers is that they are really here to help. They get the garden started where nothing is growing, creating healthy nitrogen-rich leaves and breaking up heavy clay soil with their roots. See here how useful these gardening allies are for creating crumbly, friable soil where once we had dense clay. I've been enjoying time in the garden, listening to the birds sing, breathing in the fresh air, and getting exercise as I pull up weeds and drop seeds or small seedlings in the holes left behind, burying the seeds or seedlings back up and then tearing the leaves and dropping them for mulch. I give some of the dandelion leaves to the turkeys too. They are very fond of eating dandelions. I've been planting lots of corn this year because I still have a huge bag of corn seeds left over from last year's crop, even after we ate a lot of fresh corn, froze some, and popped some. This year, I hope we can sell some too. Well, that's our post for today. When you pull out weeds, replace them with seeds or seedlings of your preference. Thanks for watching. Aloha!